Okay, so in this article, or in this story, you're going to listen to the story in the zoo's lake, and then you're going to answer the questions below. So let's listen to the story as I read it. It says, I'm new to the zoo. I'm the new swan that they just adopted. My new home is in the zoo's lake. I miss my old zoo friends a little bit, but there are a lot of new friends to meet here. The zoo has a fountain in the middle of the lake that shoots water out of it. This happens every 10 minutes. It is my favorite part of my new zoo. I also really love the bridge that is built over my lake. All the people walk over to it and watch us swim. So number 1, it says in the text, circle the clue words that help you figure out the point of view. Check the how-to sheet on the how-to board if you need help. So you're going to go through this whole text, and any word that's a clue word for the point of view, you're going to circle that word. Then for number 2, it says whose point of view is the story being told from? Well, if you circled all your clue words, then you should know whose point of view the story is being told from. You're going to write that down here. And then number 3, how does the character feel about her new zoo? It says a lot about how she feels about her new zoo in this text. So go ahead and reread it and get your answer for number 3. Remember, check the how-to board if you need help. Good luck!